the world of work is changing, faster than ever before. Among these, a truly remarkable development is emerging: the AI agent. Think of it not just as software but as a digital employee, a new kind of colleague ready to assist. These agents promise to handle tasks, make decisions, and learn from their experiences. They are designed to understand goals and then work independently to achieve them. This capability moves beyond simple automation. AI agents are equipped with a diverse set of capabilities that set them apart. They can perceive their digital environment, processing information from various sources like emails, databases, and websites. They can reason, using this information to make logical deductions and plan sequences of actions. Crucially, they can act upon these plans, executing tasks such as sending communications, managing files, or interacting with other software applications. Furthermore, many AI agents possess the ability to learn and adapt. This means they improve over time, becoming more efficient and effective as they gain more experience with specific tasks or user preferences. The potential of these digital colleagues is immense and truly exciting to consider. This shift heralds a new era of human-machine partnership in the workplace. It is important to understand what makes an AI agent truly different from other AI tools we have become familiar with. Many people think of AI like ChatGPT, a powerful tool for generating text or answering questions. While impressive, ChatGPT and similar models are primarily reactive. They respond to specific prompts given by a user. They complete a defined task and then they stop, awaiting the next instruction. AI agents, however, operate on a different level of autonomy and proactivity. An AI agent is designed with the capacity to pursue overarching goals. You might assign an agent a complex objective, such as increase sales leads from social media by 10% this quarter. The agent then independently devises a plan, breaks it down into subtasks, executes those tasks, monitors progress, and adapts its strategy based on results. It can interact with multiple systems, learn from new information, and make decisions without constant human intervention. This proactive, goal-oriented behavior is a key distinction, moving them from mere tools to something more akin to an autonomous assistant or even a specialized digital worker. Therefore, while tools like ChatGPT are components that an AI agent might use, perhaps to draft an email or analyze text, the agent itself is the overarching system that orchestrates these components and others to achieve a broader objective. The agent possesses a form of digital agency, the power to act independently and make choices. This shift has profound implications for how tasks are managed, how businesses operate, and how we envision the future of collaborative work between humans and intelligent machines. The concept of AI agents is rapidly moving from theory to practical application. We are already seeing early examples demonstrating their potential. One such pioneer is AutoGPT, an experimental open-source application that showcases the ability of an AI to attempt to achieve a high-level goal autonomously. Users provide AutoGPT with a name, a role, and a set of objectives. It then generates its own prompts to chain together actions, access websites, and manage files to work towards these goals. While still in development and requiring careful oversight, AutoGPT has excited many by illustrating the core principles of autonomous AI task completion. Another significant development in this space is Devin, often described as the first AI software engineer. Devin is designed to handle complex engineering tasks, from writing code and fixing bugs to training its own AI models. It can plan and execute intricate projects that require thousands of decisions, learn new technologies, and even collaborate with human engineers by reporting on its progress and accepting feedback. Its ability to tackle entire software development projects, rather than just assisting with snippets of code, represents a major leap forward. Beyond these highly specialized or experimental agents, we also see the rise of platforms that allow users to build and deploy their own, more focused AI agents. These real-world examples highlight the diverse ways AI agents are beginning to operate. Section 4, the 2025 AI Agent Landscape Key Players and Their Offerings. As we stand in mid-2025, the AI agent landscape is vibrant and rapidly evolving. Several key players and types of agents are defining this exciting field. We continue to see advancements in foundational models that power these agents, leading to more capable and versatile digital assistants. Companies that were early pioneers, like those behind AutoGPT and Devin, are likely to have iterated further, offering more robust and specialized versions of their initial concepts. We can expect more sophisticated AI software engineers, research assistants, and project managers emerging from these advanced research and development efforts. Beyond these highly specialized agents, a significant trend is the rise of agent platforms. These platforms provide the tools and infrastructure for businesses and even individuals to build, customize, and deploy their own AI agents without needing deep AI expertise. Think of services from major tech companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, which are heavily investing in AI. They are offering frameworks and pre-built agent components that can be assembled to automate specific business processes. Zapier, with its AI agents, is a prime example of making agent creation accessible, allowing users to connect their everyday apps with intelligent automation. Another category gaining prominence is the personal AI agent. These are designed to act as an individual's primary digital assistant, managing communications, schedules, information, and tasks across personal and professional life. Adept, for example, has been working on an AI that can learn to use any software interface just by observing a human, aiming to create a universal collaborator. The 2025 landscape is thus a mix of general-purpose powerhouses, accessible platforms, personal assistants, and specialized industry solutions, all driving the adoption of AI agents. Section 5. Transforming Industries, the Impact on Businesses and Solopreneurs. The arrival of sophisticated AI agents is poised to send ripples of transformation across countless industries. For established businesses, these digital employees offer pathways to unprecedented efficiency and innovation. Imagine entire departments augmented by AI agents that handle routine data entry, customer service inquiries, supply chain logistics, or even complex data analysis for strategic planning. This allows human employees to shift their focus towards higher-value activities such as creative problem-solving, building client relationships, and developing new products or services. The ability to delegate complex, multi-step processes to autonomous agents can streamline operations, reduce errors, and significantly lower operational costs for companies of all sizes. For freelancers and solopreneurs, the impact could be particularly revolutionary. Often individuals running their own ventures are juggling numerous roles: marketer, salesperson, administrator, and service provider. AI agents can act as a force multiplier, providing the support of a virtual team without the overhead of hiring human staff. An AI agent could manage a freelancer's social media marketing, qualify leads, handle client onboarding paperwork, or even assist with project management tasks. This frees up the solopreneur's valuable time to concentrate on their core expertise, client delivery, and business growth. The accessibility of AI agents levels the playing field, enabling smaller players to compete more effectively with larger organizations. However, this transformation also brings challenges and questions we must address. As AI agents become more capable of performing tasks previously done by humans, concerns about job displacement are natural and valid. The key will be to embrace this technology thoughtfully, understanding both its immense potential and its societal implications. Section 6. Embracing the future. Integrating AI agents into your work life. Starting to integrate AI agents into your daily tasks and business operations need not be an overwhelming endeavor. The first step is curiosity and a willingness to explore. Begin by identifying repetitive, time-consuming tasks in your current workflow. These could be anything from managing your email inbox, scheduling appointments, transcribing meeting notes, to conducting preliminary online research. Once you have a list, you can start looking for existing AI tools or simple agent-like functionalities that can address these specific pain points. Many applications you already use might be incorporating AI features that can automate parts of these processes, acting as initial entry points. For those looking to build more customized or powerful AI agents, several tools and platforms are becoming increasingly accessible. ChatGPT Pro, for instance, with its advanced capabilities and potential for integration through APIs, can serve as a core component for an agent that needs to understand and generate human-like text for communication or content creation. You can use it to draft emails, summarize documents, or even brainstorm ideas, then link these actions with other tools. Zapier, as mentioned earlier, allows you to connect various web applications and automate workflows between them, and its AI agents feature adds a layer of intelligence to these automations. If you are more technically inclined or have development resources, platforms like Replit provide an online environment to code, build, and deploy applications, including AI agents. Start small, experiment with available tools, and gradually increase the complexity of the tasks you delegate. By proactively exploring and integrating AI agents now, you are not just optimizing your current tasks, you are preparing yourself and your business for a more efficient, innovative, and exciting future.